May I now invite to talk on the charm of Tertiary Eye Care Institute, Dr. Bhavik Panchal. He's a consultant VR and UVR specialist, and he has interest in ROP. He's a postgraduate from LV Prasad, Hyderabad. Over to you.
So thank you, Yosi, first of all, and good morning. Welcome to a smog-free Delhi. Good morning, guys. Can I have your attention, everyone? Thank you. Okay, so let me begin with this. How do you quantify success? So residency program has been aced, okay, fellowship has been maximized, and now we are standing at a crossroad thinking, how do I succeed? Okay, to know that, you need to answer the following thing, or rather you need to know this. What do you want in life? Either it's money, is it fame, is it respect, which we all get with the doctor tag what we have, academics, research, or equity in your practice, or the last option, all of the above. So what do you want, right, guys, if you want to succeed in life? This question is open. How many arms raised for all of the above? Okay. So if that is the answer, this is the place you need to be. It's a tertiary eye care institute. Okay. So what are the expectations of a young ophthalmologist? He or she, after finishing a program, basically wants to join the best place, wants freedom to do what they love doing, freedom to do research, freedom to see a lot of cases, variety of cases, freedom to do quite a number of procedures, surgical procedures, and basically freedom to specialize in a particular thing without thinking of the finances. A tertiary eye care institute provides a consistent salary so that you do not have to think where the next paycheck is going to come from. And more importantly, you have a good patient database from day one itself. So let's come to the point, the advantages of a tertiary eye care institute. Let's look at the academics. So you can teach fellows and residents. Okay, this allows one to learn, and sometimes this questions our own beliefs and raises newer questions. One important and unrecognized advantage is that we shape the future generations, both clinical and non-clinical. The next is research. In an institute, you have large data sets of common and rare diseases. It gives an advantage for publications and presentations, opportunity to collaborate with other universities, other researchers across the globe, and it gives you a national and an international fame as well. Next is administration. We all know, people who are in private practice, how important it is to learn administration. So this is one place where you can join an institute, work for a few years, and carry on the experience of administration. Also, you can avoid it if you are not inclined towards it. Also, you do not have to worry about the daily operational firefighting, basically, and as there is enormous amount of resource pool at all levels, which is present in the institute. You don't have to deal with the government or municipal officials for day-to-day affairs. You get an opportunity to expand into management on a large scale, study systems. You have a ringside view of advocacy and planning. Things are in order, there is division of work. It's easier than multitasking everything by yourself. Each one can focus on their specialty, and there is support to bank on colleagues from other specialty as well. Now this point is very important, especially in this current scenario where we have a lot of unruly and aggressive patients. So an institute practice definitely deals better, rather it teaches you how to deal with aggressive patients in institutions, as there are colleagues to whom you can refer your patient for an expert opinion, and patients also value this. So let me introduce at this point in time a term called as privatemics. Any takers on this? What exactly does this term mean? Yes, perfect. Okay, so this is a combination of private practice and academics in an institute. So not all, but some institutes do allow this. So you have your freedom to treat your own patient in the way you want it, and also you have academics and research along with this. So in short, an institute teaches you how to do a job of 10 people by one. So coming to the next, beyond the obvious, basically here, this is where the average thinking stops and the pearls of experience or wisdom, they kick in. If you are in an institute, you can ignite a passion for teaching. You're always surrounded by intelligent and committed young or like-minded people or colleagues, and there are students from which will enrich your life, and you can learn a lot from them as well. You start enjoying what you are doing. There are enough examples when people have joined institute for a few years, 3 years, 5 years, and they have realized that, no, this is what I like doing, and I'll continue doing this. And lastly, the most important reason for me per se, being an institute, it gives you an opportunity for me to make someone better than me. Thank you.